Welcome to Model Motor Mania. Today on 18 Highlights and Curiosities, Vespa 981946118. Vespa 98, the revolution that motorized freedom.
The 1946 Vespa 98 was not just a vehicle. It was a manifesto for the rebirth of a nation amidst the reconstruction of post-World War II Italy. Enrico Piaggio envisioned an affordable and elegant means of transport. Aeronautical engineer Corradino who ironically disliked motorcycles, designed the Vespa, using aviation concepts, a fairing that protected the rider, gear shifts on the handlebar, and a front suspension arm similar to aircraft landing gear. The 98cc engine, mounted directly to the rear wheel, eliminated the mess of oily chains, allowing anyone from workers to women in elegant attire ride with dignity and style. In the world of entertainment, the Vespa transcended mechanics to become the ultimate star of the Dolce Vita. While the 98 was the pioneer, it paved the way for legendary cinematic appearances, such as in Roman Holiday, where Audrey Hepburn and Gregory Peck transformed the scooter into a global symbol of romance and urban adventure. In pop culture, the Vespa became the mandatory accessory of the British mod movement in the 60s and remains the favorite choice for films, evoking European charm. From Letters to Juliet to Disney, Pixar's Luca, which pays direct tribute to the brand's origins. The 1/18 scale Maisto replica is a journey back in time. It accurately captures the original Paperino design, featuring the low headlight mounted on the front fender, on exclusive characteristic of the very first units. The classic gray finish, the single saddle, and the side engine details provide the realism necessary for those who value history on two wheels.
At Model Motor Mania, presenting the Vespa 98 is to honor the starting point of a lineage that changed urban mobility forever. Owning this miniature is to possess the DNA of freedom, a tribute to Italian genius that proves simplicity is the ultimate sophistication.